G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. It is October already and we have a big month in that we have a really big project, our big beautiful baby elephant. I've been looking around my workroom and thinking what is missing, and you know, an elephant was missing. I thought it was time to bring one in. We've made a cuddle elephant, but we needed a great big baby girl. So she's got gorgeous curves, she's embracing her curves. And she's got fabulous giant ears. I have made her up in some very interesting fabric which was thrifted. Let's go and take a closer look. So allow me to introduce you to my big beautiful baby elephant in our baby doll style. I told you she's big. She's beautiful and she needed to be big, those beautiful rounded curves. Absolutely love her. She dwarfs our French Bulldog. I used to think the French Bulldog was a really big project and he looks like a mini next to her. So she looks big because of those gorgeous ears. She needed to have massive ears, which are beautiful. They can be posed either way. They can sit behind her and frame her up. I like to have one in front here. Pop it in there, tuck it in, all creased up, just beautiful. She is made up, I've made her up in a thrifted upholstery fabric, and I suspect it's car upholstery fabric. Found a big pile of it in the thrift store and thought that's going to be something amazing, and it has turned out very well. I encourage you all to look for fabrics you can upcycle, particularly in this work. I can't tell you how much it adds to the originality of a piece, especially if you're making high-end collectibles as we are here. Well, certainly many of you learning to do that. This has been an absolute joy to make because it's big, it's not fiddly. So while it might seem daunting, it really isn't. We do some needle felting around that beautiful eye. We do some sculpting in the end of that trunk, something really different. That's really fun. We do some special quilting and detailed paw pads on those fabulous elephant feet. You also get the pattern for the gorgeous little pajama style little bottoms there. Very, very sweet. And also, of course, that amazing hat. And in mine, I've just popped a little mouse that I sculpted in polymer clay years and years ago for my original owl, and it has sat in a little tote bag with owl. So this is going to be my little Timothy Q, who sits up in the brim of his hat. And you certainly could make up something yourself in polymer clay, or alternatively we have on Pay It Forward my Mama and Baby series, and there's lots of those little felt characters who would sit nicely in the top there if that's what you would like to do. Alternatively, we have so many characters that you could put with this one. I'm just putting together some colours that really work with mine. How beautiful does that bunny look tucked in there? She just happens to be all the right colours. They've both got the blue eyes. I love that. That's going to be her companion for sure, which is what's great about these big designs, because there's so many patterns here, right here in your Pay It Forward library. Little blue bear would look lovely as well. So yeah, I know that you're all going to have so much fun with that, and it's a great opportunity to search for some gorgeous thrifted fabric. I know a lot of you are already thinking, oh, I've got the perfect fabric for that. So it's been such a fun make. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing her. I hope to tempt some of you over into Masterclass and give her a go. So what do you all think? Are you going to take on the challenge? Great big challenge. I'm sure so many of you will. Thank you all of you who have joined my Masterclass. Thank you so much for your support. I hope that I'm giving you projects that you're all enjoying. I'm trying to keep it all sort of varied. But what an incredible library of work we've got now. And I can't tell you, I shouldn't be shocked, but I am shocked with the level of work that is coming out of Masterclass. It's just absolutely amazing. I really challenged you all last month with Robin, and I thought I might have overstepped the mark, but everybody's coming up shining. Has everybody been to our Facebook page and seen some of these incredible beautiful Robin Hoods coming up, just amazing. So thank you all so much for your commitment and your dedication. Thank you all for listening. As I teach, I really appreciate that, and it's showing in your work, it really is. So bravo to you all, and to my beautiful Pay It Forward family. Some incredible makes coming out of there as well. I've got a new pattern for you. It's either up or it's about to be launched, and it's so sweet. I think you're all going to love it. Also, another great piece to put with some of your Masterclass projects if you're also in Masterclass. So I do get a lot of people recently, I've been having a lot of people message me and say, I can't keep up, I feel like I'm so far behind. You don't need to keep up. You absolutely don't need to keep up. It's about creating as you go and enjoying the journey. It really is, everybody. It's all about the journey. It's about learning as you go and the whole experience. There's nothing better in my mind than planning a new project, looking for the little bits and pieces that go with it that will make it original and special. You're all so good at doing that. I love seeing your work. So please come and join our Facebook page if you haven't already, and share your creations, anything you've made with my patterns there, so we can all get to see them. And it really does inspire others. It gives other people different ideas. It's not about copying, it's about you know, being inspired. And I thank you all for inspiring each other on that page. Absolutely amazing. So we are moving forward into, we're coming up to that festive season. Y'all know how I love that. I'll try and think of something special for Christmas this year. We've got another month before then. Big month in November. I'll be telling you why a bit further along next month. But this month is going to be a whole lot of fun seeing all of those elephants. Now, as far as people not being able to keep up, like I said, you don't have to keep up, and it takes a while. It really, the best work takes time. So don't ever feel like you're rushed. And remember that it takes me a lot of time too. I don't rush through these things. I want them to be absolutely perfect. So taking time is better, definitely. And you have this whole big library of joy in Masterclass, and it's just going to be there. It's all there for you. So it's not going anywhere. So I'll just keep on adding to it, just as I do with Pay It Forward. I hope you're all enjoying it. We do have to keep pushing on Pay It Forward. You've got to keep telling your friends to come and subscribe here on Pay It Forward. We want to make 100K this year. Imagine 100K of like-minded people all sharing in these free patterns. So put the word out there, and let's make it to 100K, and we'll have some kind of a big celebration at 100K. So let's make it happen, everyone. Thank you so much for your support, everybody. Have a fantastic creative week or month, and look after yourselves, and remember to keep on paying all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.